How to copy someone on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy someone in Etoro app. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro. This is the home page as you can see. Now let's say you want to copy this person right here. For example, this is his profile. Now if you want to copy him, just click on copy on his profile, and if this showed the trader cannot be copied, you can search for another trader. Like this person here is one of the best traders, and I love this man. Now you click copy. As you can see, now choose the amount of money that you want and then click copy here. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.